To fix the Questrade app when it's not working, there are several potential solutions to consider. First, check your internet connection, as a stable connection is required for the app to function properly. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to see if that resolves the issue. Next, ensure the app is updated to the latest version, as outdated versions can cause restricted features and poor functionality. To do this, visit the App Store, search for Questrade, and confirm that the app is updated. If the problem persists, go to your device's settings, select General Storage, and find the Questrade app. Offload the app and then reinstall it, as this often solves the problem. As a last resort, delete the app entirely and download it again from the App Store. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and get the Questrade app working again.